Welcome to No Winning, or welcome back if you've been following along with us. Today I'm going to be putting on an AEM AFR gauge. I think people also call this a wideband, or it's just basically like an extra O2 sensor is what the way I understand it. We're going to be putting this one, the actual sensor itself, or the actual plug on the top bung of the Cobb downpipe. Like I said, if you've been following along with us, we actually have the car in a bunch of pieces right now, so it makes it really easy to put, or I shouldn't say really easy, a little bit easier to put this on as opposed to while the downpipe's still mounted on the turbo. So I'm gonna open this up, set up the camera, and crack it open to see what we're gonna do to put it on the downpipe. All right, let's try this again. Less wind, better microphone. We'll figure it out right now. Look at that. What do you think? No? Cool? Sort of? I don't think I've ever put a gauge on before. I've taken an engine out, but never put a gauge on. Okay. Okay. Right. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look it up myself because I don't know how to do this yet. Okay, some more wiring. I guess that's a different colored face. Then the actual sensor itself. This is what I need to put on first. So what we're gonna do is that damn bird. We're gonna put this one on first, and then we'll do the rest on a separate part of the video, maybe later on in the video. But just so I can get this on while the Cobb downpipe is out, and then we can start wiring and putting all the wires in through the firewall. So let me get the downpipe and take off the bung, and then we'll start putting this on there for you. Okay, let me give you a final update to what I did. So I finally put on that bung right here. I wired it and tucked it in through the, I guess there's a grommet or something right there. I spliced open the white wire here for the rear O2 sensor. I plugged everything in. I got the speed density sensor ready right here for our surprise. Okay, I have everything plugged in. So let me show you what I did on the inside. It was a little hard to see because one, I couldn't see myself, and I kind of just winged it and it worked. So you can see here, the white wire is the wire that came in from the rear O2 sensor. I took it behind there. You can see where it came out from underneath there, and it came out to the other side. Now let me go to the other side to show you what exactly I did. I followed Smedia's video on how to wire it. Hopefully I did it right. I won't know until I put on the fuel pump and the rest of the parts that I have pending to put on this car. Okay, so you can see here where it came through. There's that white wire. I'll probably run some tape there to kind of cover it up. And then I use one of those add a fuses and add a fuse, put it right there. Red wire is going to the fuse. Blue wire is just taped up here. It's not, you see, it's not really doing anything. Red wire here, the white wire there, and the black wire to a ground right there. So that's pretty much it. I don't have a pod or anything to hold this in. So what I'm gonna end up doing is I'm just gonna probably just taping it right here for now, right on top of this piece here. So that's about it. Well, if you made it this far, thank you for watching. I know the video was kind of choppy. I kind of only showed you what I put on, and I didn't really show you how I put it on, but you got the idea, right? One that I did have trouble with was the AFR gauge. I showed you more or less how to do it. If you have any questions, let me know. Hit me up in the comments below. But that's it. That's all I have for today. Stay tuned. We have more videos to go to finish up the Wrx STi, and then we finally get it on the road. So make sure you stay tuned and watch for future videos. Thanks for watching.